Imagine a genie, but instead of coming out of a lamp, it comes out of your laptop. And instead of granting 3 wishes, this genie basically says, "Give me as many wishes as you want. I don't get tired." That's generative AI. It doesn't just follow instructions. It thinks, it creates, and sometimes it surprises you more than humans do. Welcome to the Genius Circuit's crash course on the genie that can think. AI is where machines learn to think logically. Machine learning is where we say, forget the rules, learn from examples. Deep learning is where things get muscly. Layers of virtual neurons inspired by our brain. And generative AI? That's the artist of the family. It creates ideas, images, stories, even excuses for your deadlines. AI learns from the world. GenAI learns to imagine it. So how does a machine learn? Think of algorithms as recipes, step-by-step instructions. Neural networks. They're like digital neurons spotting patterns, the same way we recognize faces in cupcakes. Every time the machine goes through a learning cycle, it gets a little sharper. That's why people say, the smartest code in the world isn't written, it's trained. Your laptop is basically going to the gym. There are 3 ways AI learns, and honestly, they're the 3 ways we humans learn too. Supervised learning. You get the textbook with the answers at the back. Unsupervised learning. You get the textbook, and the teacher says, figure out the hidden pattern. Good luck. Reinforcement learning. Trial, error, reward method, exactly how you learn not to touch a hot stove twice. Artificial intelligence learns just like us, minus the drama. This slide looks like school, but stay with me. I promise it'll be painless. Maths can be fun too. Probability helps AI guess what comes next. Linear algebra moves information through layers like a factory conveyor belt. Calculus controls how fast the model learns, like adjusting the difficulty of a video game. Statistics checks if the model is actually getting smarter or just confidently wrong. Numbers to logic, and then to intelligence. Mathematics is the magic sauce behind this genie. Gen AI. Foundation models are the superheroes of the AI world. GPT, the celebrity brain behind ChatGPT. Llama, Meta's open-source powerhouse. Gemini, Google's multimodal genius that understands text, code, and visuals. Claude, your wise, ethical AI friend. DeepSeek, the research rebel pushing boundaries. These aren't just tools. They are the ecosystem's giant digital brains powering everything around us. Behind every magical AI tool is a very unmagical toolkit. Python plus Google Colab, the easiest way to start coding AI. LangChain lets multiple AI models team up like the Avengers. Vector databases help AI remember things long-term. Hugging Face, the supermarket of AI models. Prompt engineering, the art of telling the genie exactly what you want. This is the spellbook behind the magic. A prompt is basically your wish. Good prompts are specific, structured, and clear. Bad prompts are like, write something nice, and then you blame the AI for writing something weird. Try role prompting, making the AI become an expert. Try chain of thought. Make it think step by step. Try refinement. Tweak your prompt. Get better results. The clearer your wish, the smarter is your genie. Behind the scenes, this is what actually happens. GPUs, the gym equipment for AI models. Data collection, gathering high-quality examples. Tokenization, breaking text into tiny, learnable pieces. Training where the model learns patterns, relationships, and logic. Evaluation and deployment: test it, fix it, release it into the world. It's like raising a digital child who grows up really fast and never asks for snacks. Agentic AI. This is where AI becomes more than a tool. It becomes a team member. Agents can write, summarize, search, schedule, reason, compare. They combine memory plus tools plus logic, almost like digital interns. But they don't quit, don't disappear during deadlines, and don't need appreciation posts. Visual Gen AI. This is the artistic side of AI. GAN's two AIs battling it out. One creates, the other criticizes. DAL and Midjourney, turning text prompts into artwork. Stable Diffusion and Flux, open source image engines for creators. When machines learn to see, they don't just recognize the world, they start reimagining it. So, how do you start today? Just pick a tool: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Join an AI community. Try a tiny project. Summarize a report, generate an image, clean up an email. Small projects build big understanding. Everyone starts small, including the people building today's biggest models. The future isn't approaching, it's learning. Generative AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to amplify us, our creativity, our ideas, our brains. The more we explore, the smarter we get. The smarter we get, the more AI grows with us. This is not man versus machine. It's man plus machine. If you want to keep exploring, keep experimenting, keep growing, visit thegeniuscircuit.com, where learning AI is simple, fun, and accessible for everyone. Because the only real superpower in the future is knowing how to learn.